first grade math learners. Welcome back to another fun week of math. Today's learning target is I can compare two numbers and tell which number is greater. Why would we need to use this skill? To know which ice cream cone to take, which has more. To know which toy to buy, which is less money. To know who's older. There are many reasons to compare numbers. To practice comparing two numbers to find the greater number, we are going to play a really fun math game called Top It. To play this game, you'll want your cards out of your white math toolbox. If you have a friend to play with, that's great. If you're playing by yourself, you can grab your own friend to play. Let's unwrap our deck of cards. In the box carefully so that when you put your cards away, you can use it again. For this game, you don't need all of the cards, just the number cards. So take out your jokers, take out the A's, the directions, and what we call the face cards. Like the jacks, kings, and queens. We're not going to use those. We're just going to keep the cards that have numbers. Get rid of your A, get rid of your face cards. You can take all of your face cards and your jokers, put them in a pile, and put them back in the box. Now you're ready to shuffle your number cards. Shuffling is mixing up. So you're going to take some of the cards from the top and put them on the bottom. And go ahead and mix your cards up really well. And now that our cards are set up, it's time to play Top It. To start the game, put the deck of cards between you and your partner, or if you're playing with stuffed animals like I am, put the deck of cards between two stuffed animals. I have my fish and my owl. There they are. Now, you're going to put two hands on the deck and you're going to flip over two cards at the same time. So we'll count to 3 and we'll flip these over. 1, 2, 3. And I have my first two cards, a 10 and a 2. Which of these two cards has the greater number or the bigger number? The 10 is the greater number. So that means that my owl is the winner of this hand. And we're going to take these two cards and we'll give it to owl. Two hands on the deck, we'll count to 3 and flip over the next two cards. 1, 2, 3. I have a 9 and a 3. Which of these two cards is greater? The 9 is greater. It is the bigger number. And that's on the owl side too. So we'll take these two cards and we'll give it to our owl. 1, 2, 3. 10 and 4. Which is the greater number? 10 is greater, and that's the fish's card. So we'll give those cards to the fish. We'll put them in his little mouth there. All right, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, a 6 and a 5. These two numbers are similar, but one has more. One is greater. 6 is greater, so we'll give it to the fish. And you'll continue that way until all of your cards are gone. Oh, now we have a 10. A 10 and a 10. These two cards are the same. If you get a tie, simply pull two more cards, and the winner of the next round gets to keep them all. So 10 and 10 are equal, but 7 is greater than 6. So the fish gets all of these cards. You can continue playing until all of the cards in the deck are gone. Do you see how this game would help you with our learning target today? Our target is I can compare two numbers and tell which is greater. If you need a little extra help playing Top It, there are directions to this game right next to the video in your lesson slide. Learners, when you are all done playing Top It, head to Seesaw to continue practicing comparing numbers. All right, mathematicians, off you go. Good luck.